Welcome back to another edition of Cook. Don't be lazy. St. Patrick's Day. Green beer. By the way, this is very complicated stuff to make. But if you subscribe, and you subscribe right now, I'll give you permission to look down below at the description and get the recipe for green beer. Yes, you too can make green beer at your home. Today, we're not cooking. In celebration of St. Patty's Day, we're going to do a Shamrock shake. The devil's juice version. Not the version. Devil's juice version. That means we're going to throw a little in it. Let's get to it. So for our Shamrock shake, we're going to need 2 cups of vanilla ice cream. Now you want to use softened ice cream. Don't be using that hard stuff. Let it sit out for about 15-20 minutes. Let it thaw out a little bit. Throw in a 1/3 cup of whole milk. Don't be using that skim milk garbage or low fat. I don't care how fat you are. You're not going to put low fat milk in this. Whole milk. 1/3 cup. And 4 tablespoons of peppermint schnapps, 100 proof. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, I went looking around trying to find this peppermint schnapps, and get the 100 proof. You want 100 proof peppermint schnapps. You don't want the 15 proof, 15% proof. It ain't strong enough. And we also need, it's St. Patty's Day, so some food coloring. Blend it. That's it. And that's how you make a Shamrock shake. That's simple. Pour it into your container, spray some whipped creamer on it, put a little sprinkles if you want. Done deal. This, my friends, Shamrock shake. So at the end of the day, you can choose your green beer, or you can choose a Shamrock shake. Oh my gosh, that is good. Great tasting! Great tasting Shamrock shake. But I don't care what you choose. Just remember, don't be lazy.